this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for my latest notification. So without wasting time, let's get started. Small basics. Loops. In computer programming, a loop is a sequence of instruction that is continually repeated until a certain condition is reached. Suppose you want to print your name 1000 times. In the normal way, we have to write a lengthy code and it will be so time consuming. In this, loops comes for help. In loops, we can print our name 1000 times in only few lines of code. Now there are two types of loops, definite loop and indefinite loop. Definite loop. A definite loop is a loop where you know the exact number of iteration prior to entering the loop. Usually the number of iteration is based on an integer variable. For loop. For loop is an example of definite loop. The syntax for loop is for integer variable is equals to start value to end value, statements to be executed and at the end for. Now suppose you want to print the numbers on screen. So what we will do is for I is equals to 1 to 100. Text window dot write line, then parenthesis I, and at the end for. Now what it will do is when the I value will be 1, it will print 1. When the I value will be 2, it will print 2, and so on up to 100. When the I value will be 100, it will print 100 and it will be end. Now let's do some examples. Suppose here write for. Now here suppose you want to print your name. I is equals to 1. Then 2. In this, for is a keyword and 2 is also a keyword. I want to print my name 10 times. Then here you will write text window. Text window dot write line, parenthesis, inverted commas, and here you write Avni. Suppose I want to print my name Avni 10 times and then enter and for. Okay, now let's run it. See, Avni is coming 10 times. Suppose you want to print my name 100. So simply write for I is equals to 1 to 100. Okay, now let's run it. See, my name is coming 100 times. Now suppose you want to print numbers. So here simply 1 to 100. Here in the place of Avni, I will write I. 1 to 100. Okay. See, the counting 1 to 100 has printed. If you want till 1000, simply write 1000 and then run it. See, till 1000 the numbers are. Now suppose I want that when the user input a number, then the forward content will be printed up to the number. So what we will do for this, here write text window dot write line, parenthesis, inverted commas, and here will write enter a number. Then make a variable of number is equals to text window dot read number. Then hit enter. Text window dot write line, right line, then parentheses, inverted commas, and here we will write forward counting. Now here we will, at the place of 1000, here we will write number variable. Let's run it. Enter a number, suppose 100. See, forward counting, the forward counting till 100 is printed. Now let's again run it. Suppose 1982. Then enter. See, the forward counting till 1982 is printed. It's perfect. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.